Hi friend, good morning. So as you know, in the last vlog, I have reached at Cairo, which is the capital of Egypt. And today I am just checked into the hotel. The hotel is right next to the pyramids of Giza, and it is a really spectacular view from my hotel. So like I'm standing just rooftop of this hotel, and what I am seeing is really wonderful, speechless, and it feels like dreams come true after a long time. uh, Friends, I can't explain this. You just have to see what I am really seeing in front of my eyes. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy the video. This is pyramids of Giza. Oh my god, it is really huge. This is a deck of the hotel which I am staying. I'll give you all the details of this hotel also. So what I'll do, I'll make a separate video of this hotel, and check this out, man. Oh my god, it shows very small, but it's a huge in front of me, huge. And oh my god, look at this. It's a big one. This one is smallest one. This one is smallest one. This one is medium. Oh my god. I'm just staying right in front of that. That is the entry point of the pyramids, and I'm staying just in front of this entry point. So it's very convenient for me to reach at the time of starting entry of this giant pyramids. And look at that Sphinx, lion and a half man body. I'm very much eager to explore that one. I like to go, and I like to explore as much as I can. Look at the surrounding areas. These are the residential areas of Giza. Very dense, very populated, but nothing can compare with this view. I mean, when you come to Egypt, when you come to Cairo, and when you come to Giza, standing just in front of these big giants of pyramids, really hats off. Really one of the wondering things. Like, you can imagine, this is a 4,000 years back civilization, one of the most oldest civilization what now we are looking at. There's a lot of history. I'm not very good in history, but yes, I can feel that vibes of this pyramids. So let's go over there and check this out, what we can find while exploring this one. Okay. This is a view from our restaurant, the hotel restaurant which I am staying right now. It's a hotel Marble Stone. You can see from the dining area only this view. Amazing view. This is my first clip of pyramids. Look at that. Amazing. I can't explain it, but I'm just speechless. Oh my god. Look at that. This is the view from your restaurant.